I don't know, to be honest. I thought, Miraz it was just a natural instinct, to look out, to pick the ball and try to make him run out because he was outside the crease. So I think as Miraz didn't make any mistake, to be honest. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I think we didn't bat well. We didn't start bowling well, but after that we claw back. And then after that, I think that was a great performance in last 20 overs, 22 overs, I think. But obviously, credit goes to Pakistani bowlers. I think they bowl very well. So I think we just have to build a partnership. And obviously, weather played a huge role. If we could actually have a full game, it will be a different ball game then. It was so quick, actually. We even don't understand what happened there. I think Miraz thought, he was outside and he was trying to stop the ball. I think ball went straight to Miraz's legs. So, and same time, Agha Salman thought, he's trying to help Miraz to pick that ball up and to give that ball to him. So I think there was, I don't know, to be honest, I thought, Miraz it was just a natural instinct, to look out, to pick the ball and try to make him run out because he was outside the crease. So it was just very quickly happened. So I think both party was not wrong in that time because I think Agha Salman tried to help him. And at the same time, Miraz was very much into the game and he thought, he can make a people run out. I don't think so. It's just a matter of, we have to play very clinical, very professional and very, we got to remember our process longer periods of time, to be honest. If we can do that, I think Bangladesh got a very good batting side, to be honest, and they're very experienced. So I hope, inshallah, if they can apply themselves and read the condition and assess the condition and execute their plans according and remember the process longer period of time, I think they can challenge any team. I think, look, 50 overs is I always use that phrase, 50 overs is a mini test cricket. So you got to change your game according to the situation of the game. So sometimes if the ball is swinging, you don't have to play lots of shots. If when you need to have build partnerships. Sometimes some bowlers can bowl a very difficult line and length and they can challenge your, but when they're challenging you, you got to actually use your skills to beat his skills basically. So I think we have to develop that and we have to learn quickly. And I think it's just a momentum because the momentum you have to shift. As you said, as a batsman, what my experience says, you got to assess the condition, you can assess the bowlers, and then according to change the game, according to the plans basically. I think this game we have to forget. We have to quickly raise this game as much as we can and believe, make sure, we can win the series. Because I think we potentially, your first game, you can see that. When they play good cricket, when they execute their plans well and they believe in themselves, I believe that inshallah they can win the series. We can win the series. As I said, the ball was still in play. Agha was outside the crease. So as a bowler, when you're trying to pick that ball up, you're trying to make people run out. So Agha was quite far away from the crease. So Agha thought, the ball is dead. So maybe he didn't see that, the ball is outside. He's very, very much far. And the ball straight away hit the Miraz's legs. So I think Miraz thought, I can make him run out. He was not sure, what he's doing. So he was very much into the game. So I think as Miraz didn't make any mistake, to be honest. I think he was disappointed, obviously. He thought, he's trying to help him, which is fair enough. But he was not sure how far he was. So as I said early on, it was both party was trying to be nice, but he was very competitive. Miraz was bowling then very well then, and I think he trying to make him run out. And Agha thought, that ball is dead, but the ball was still in play, I think.
দেশে দেশে সবার সাথে দ্য নিউজ।